If you're over 50 and you notice that your vision just isn't what it used to be, you pick up a book and the words are blurry, you're squinting at your phone, or driving at night feels unsafe, I want you to stay right here. Because in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you 3 everyday foods that science has proven can protect and even begin to restore your eyesight. And the best part? You can find every single one of them at your local grocery store today. Here's what's actually happening inside your eyes. After the age of 50, 3 things begin to change. Number 1, your macula, which is the part of your retina responsible for sharp central vision, starts to thin out. Number 2, your lens loses flexibility, which is why close-up reading becomes harder. And number 3, oxidative stress builds up inside the eye, essentially causing internal damage, cell by cell, year by year. Now here's what your doctor may not have told you. A large portion of this damage is nutritional. Your eyes are literally starving for specific nutrients, and if you give them what they need, your body has a remarkable ability to slow this process down, and in many cases, begin to reverse it. The first food is eggs, specifically the yolk. Egg yolks are one of the richest natural sources of 2 compounds called lutein and zeaxanthin. These are carotenoids, and they deposit directly into your macula, acting like internal sunscreen for your eyes. Studies show that people with higher lutein levels have significantly lower risk of macular degeneration, which is the number 1 cause of vision loss in people over 60. My recommendation, 2 eggs daily, boiled or lightly fried. Simple as that. The second food is dark leafy greens, spinach, kale, collard greens. These are loaded with vitamin A, vitamin C, and again, lutein. Vitamin A is absolutely essential for the cells in your retina that allow you to see in low light. If you've noticed your night vision getting worse, difficulty driving after dark, struggling in dim restaurants, this could be a direct sign of vitamin A deficiency. Just 1 cup of cooked spinach gives you more than your entire daily requirement. The third food is fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel. These are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically DHA. DHA is a structural component of your retina. About 60% of your retina's outer segment is made of it. Low DHA levels are directly linked to dry eye syndrome, retinal inflammation, and accelerated macular degeneration. 2 to 3 servings of fatty fish per week is the target. Now, those 3 foods are your foundation. But in part 2, I'm going to show you 2 drinks that you can make in under 2 minutes. Welcome back. If you watched part 1, you now know the 3 foods that feed your eyes at a cellular level. Today, we're building on that. I'm going to give you 2 drinks to add to your morning routine, and then I'm going to personally walk you through an eye exercise sequence that I recommend to all of my patients over 55. This is the stuff that makes a real difference, and it costs you nothing. Drink 1 fennel seed water. The first drink is fennel seed water. Here's how you make it. Take 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, drop them into a glass of water, and let them soak overnight. In the morning, drink it on an empty stomach before breakfast. Fennel seeds contain flavonoids and antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress in the lens of the eye. In traditional medicine, fennel has been used for eye fatigue and blurred vision for centuries, and modern research is beginning to confirm why. Many of my patients report less eye strain and less blurriness within 3 to 4 weeks of starting this habit. Drink 2 amla juice. The second drink is amla juice, also known as Indian gooseberry juice. You can find it at most health food stores or online. Amla has one of the highest concentrations of vitamin C of any food on earth. We're talking 20 times the vitamin C of an orange. And here's why that matters for your eyes. Vitamin C is essential for preventing cataract formation. The lens of your eye requires constant vitamin C to stay clear and flexible. As we age, our ability to absorb and retain vitamin C decreases, which is one reason cataracts become so common after 60.
20 milliliters of amla juice diluted in a glass of water every single morning. That's it. Now let's talk about the exercise routine. Your eyes have 6 muscles, and just like any other muscle in your body, they weaken if you don't use them properly. Most of us over 50 spend the entire day staring at screens at a fixed distance. That's like going to the gym and only doing one exercise. One way, forever. Your eye muscles atrophy. Here's how to fix that. 3 exercises, 1 minute each. Exercise 1, focus shifting, 1 minute. Hold your thumb about 10 inches in front of your face. Focus on your thumb for 10 seconds. Then shift your focus to something in the distance, a window, a picture on the wall, and hold for 10 seconds. Alternate back and forth. This trains your lens to flex, which directly combats the stiffening that causes presbyopia, the technical term for age-related reading difficulty. Exercise 2, eye rolling, 1 minute. Close your eyes gently. Now slowly roll your eyes in a full circle, clockwise 5 rotations, then counterclockwise 5 rotations. Open your eyes between sets if needed. This activates all 6 ocular muscles and improves blood circulation to the eye socket. Many people feel immediate relief from tension headaches and eye fatigue. Exercise 3, palming, 1 minute. Rub your hands together vigorously until they feel warm, then cup them gently over your closed eyes. No pressure on the eyeballs. Sit in complete darkness for 1 full minute. This technique, called palming, allows your optic nerve to decompress and your retinal cells to reset. Yogis have used this for thousands of years, and ophthalmologists today confirm it genuinely reduces eye stress. Now I have to be honest with you. Everything I've shared so far, the foods, the drinks, the exercises, can all be completely undone by one habit that over 90% of people over 50 are doing every single day without realizing the damage it's. You've made it to part 3, and I want to start by saying the fact that you're here tells me you're serious about your vision. You've got the foods, you've got the drinks, you've got the exercises. Now let's talk about what's working against you, and then I'll give you the full 30-day plan. The number one habit that is silently destroying the eyesight of people over 50 is continuous, unbroken screen time. Now, I'm not here to tell you to throw away your phone. That's not realistic. But here's what most people don't understand about blue light. The high-energy blue light emitted by phones, tablets, and computer screens penetrates all the way to your retina. Over time, it causes cumulative photochemical damage to your retinal cells, the same cells that process what you see. After the age of 50, your eyes produce significantly less of the protective pigments that shield against this damage. So what was a minor irritation at 35 becomes a serious risk at 55. The solution is something called the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes of screen time, look at something at least 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. This gives your retina a chance to recover, resets your focus muscles, and dramatically reduces the cumulative damage. Set a timer on your phone. Make it a non-negotiable habit. I cannot overstate how important this one change is. Tip 1. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Your eyes repair themselves during deep sleep. Chronic sleep deprivation has been directly linked to accelerated macular degeneration and increased eye pressure. This is non-negotiable. Tip 2. Hydration, 8 glasses of water daily. Dry eye syndrome affects over 16 million Americans, most of them over 50. Your eyes are constantly producing tear film, and dehydration directly reduces tear quality and quantity. 8 glasses minimum. Tip 3. UV blocking sunglasses outdoors. UV radiation from the sun is the single largest external cause of cataract acceleration and macular damage. Anytime you are outdoors during daylight hours, even on overcast days, wear sunglasses rated UV 400 or higher. This is one of the easiest and most impactful changes you can make. Here is your complete 30-day protocol. Follow this every single day for 30 days. And I want you to pay attention to how your vision feels at the end of that month. Morning amla juice plus eggs or spinach breakfast. Start with 20 milliliters of amla juice diluted in water on an empty stomach. Follow with a breakfast that includes eggs or leafy greens. You've just given your eyes their most important fuel for the day. Daytime 20-20-20 rule plus UV sunglasses. Set a 20-minute timer whenever you're using a screen. Every alarm. Look 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Wear your UV sunglasses anytime you go outside. Evening fennel seed water preparation. Before bed, prepare your fennel seed water for the following morning. Soak 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds in a glass of water overnight. Bedtime 3-minute eye exercise plus 8 hours sleep. Run through all 3 exercises. Focus shifting, eye rolling, and palming, 1 minute each. Then get to bed at a consistent time. Your eyes need that recovery window, 30 days. If you commit to this plan consistently, you will likely notice less eye strain, less blurriness, better contrast, and improved comfort in bright and low-light conditions. I've seen it happen with my own patients. This isn't magic, it's biology. Give your eyes what they need, and they will respond. If someone you care about is over 50 and struggling with their vision, please share this series with them. It could genuinely change their quality of life. And if you want to go deeper, next week I'm going to reveal a Japanese eye health technique that's been studied for over 30 years and is completely unknown in the West. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. I'll see you there.